Jade, if you could have one wish, what would it be? She said to live happy with no pain, healthy family and success, and to be content with life.
Come inside. Got the stage all set up. You guys better hurry. That's the reason I picked them up. They're only $74.99, $75.
Stand up here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like it.
Look the difference, but this is crying and this is strong. Man.
Yeah, that's weak. I like it.
So what you said? You want to install it in your bike right now?
No, I can put them on. They don't take nothing to put on.
Let's see if that is for your bike, bro. You need 2 filaments.
My tail light just burned out.
Yes, this is 2 filaments. Perfect, man.
Perfect.
Yeah, your bike is here?
Yes.
Let's do it. Let's go.
In
Nobody there, man. Let's go.
it's in the service out there.
Puta, listo nuevo, puta, claro, man. Chichi, sí, mil tú. Hola.
Yeah.
Qué linda está. ¿Cuál es?
It's in the back.
That one?
Inside. They're doing the service on it.
No, me cobraron 3 bicis, $32 por pollo, brother. Pero ya había sido 2 días, entonces le dije, anda a la cámara y puta, yo pagué con el pollo, ¿no? Y me volvió 64, loco. Bien. Así se trata. Pero yo ni cuenta, yo fui solo al Walmart y mi esposa me dijo, tú también te están que te posteaba a tu familia, loco. No, está loco. Who have your bike?
I'm looking.
I'm looking. What's your name, bro? Where are you from?
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma.
Yo.
Maybe it's outside, bro. His bike, what year, bro?
22. Right there.
Okay. We can later, bro, because it's missing.
Okay. Now they're extending the brake cables for me.
Nice handle, bro.
Nice what?
Nice handle, but I like it.
Oh, the handlebars?
I think we do it later because he's
Road 6 custom?
He's a little
Or custom
grumpy.
Road 6 or
a
something like
little
that?
grumpy.
Oh, he's grumpy?
Yeah, I don't want to say, oh, Paco interrupt, you know.
Yeah.
You're recording everything?
Yeah.
This is Paco? Qué pendejo.
Yeah.
Oh, smells good. Oh,
Yeah.
smells good, bro. Look at ST.
Nice.
That's an ST, no? Oh yeah. I don't know why they put that there deflector, bro. That looks horrible, man.
Yeah, it
And
does.
there's no light, bro.
No light either. Just
I like the
reflectors.
bronze. I like the bronze. I like the rims, the bronze, you know, and the 170, bro.
Yeah,
Look,
the bronze accents.
We do leasing to the police.
Uh-huh.
3 years, and then they return the bikes and we sell it, you know. What name is your handle, my brother?
My handlebars?
Yes.
They're Road 6 custom.
Oh,
That is nice.
that's the best color, I think, bro.
Uh-huh.
That's the sand dune, the color.
Sand dune?
Sand dune, yeah.
Nice.
Look this. Oh, that's a ST too.
Mm-hmm.
I like the brown, bro. You know, it's weird, but all the seats are black, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a ST Elvis Presley bike. Police.
Oh yeah, here's the police ones. How many miles do they usually get on them before they bring them in?
Like 30.
30.
Maybe, yes, 12 a year, 12,000 miles a year.
Oh, okay.
And then they return it. But we do all the maintenance, so they are good, you know. And usually come a guy from, I think he's Russia or Argentina, I don't know, and he pick up everything there. Yeah.
From Argentina?
From Russia or Germany, I don't remember.
Oh, okay.
Not from Oklahoma.
Nah.
Crazy, so how's a bike, man? Crazy, right? Bye.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's not tomato. No, it's
A lot of people showing up.
Yeah, all the Mongols, huh? Yeah, crazy, bro. You want a coffee, brother?
No.
What's up, Paco? How you doing, brother?
I present your friend.
Younger.
How you doing?
He come from Oklahoma.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. How are you?
I came to get the stage 4.
Yeah, no, I hear it. Bobby said something about that.
You know I can't leave the bike alone.
Yeah. You have 2 bikes now?
No, I crashed the one. I was coming from Coco. I went to go get a sandwich. I was on my way back and some lady ran the stop sign. Right, I was doing only like 40. I hit her in the side, went over. I broke here, I broke 4 ribs, my back hurt.
He stopped?
Oh yeah, no, I took off the whole back of the car. When I hit it, ripped the bumper off the car.
So I had to buy some tail lights, turn signals. Gonna be starting soon, guys. Nice. Photos. The wife wants a trike. That's a lot of money right there. So Paco over in the porch helped me out for some turn signals and brake lights. That dude's funny. You guys need to come see Paco when you come out. I'm trying to find a place to get through here. Bikes are too close together. There's that orange one. Still got it. I do like the color though. Good. It's nice. So as soon as they're done with my bike, I'm gonna have it washed because it's rained as I came out. Let's go see if they got the wash ready out there. Yep, I can see the wash girls. Yeah. We'll get us a wash as soon as they're done with my bike. Bring it out here. So yeah, it'll be nice. Nice and clean. Right. That bike is filthy. Holy crap. I don't even know that's worth washing. Gee. It's all rusted up. I don't think a wash is going to do any good. Not a bad looking trike. There you go, guys. about to start, guys. We're getting lined up.
I'm on your way, am I?
Yeah. Thanks. Sorry.
He's the head honcho here. Remember, nonchalant.
Yeah.
Nobody will notice. Nobody will know you're even there.
What do you think, guys? Which one? Which one of these girls is gonna get it?
If you could have one wish, what would it be? She said to live happy with no pain, healthy family and success, and to be content with life. We also asked her the craziest thing she's ever done. She did a slingshot in England, and she said she thought she was gonna die. But did you die? No. We also asked her what her current hobbies and interests include. She said she enjoys working out, working on her Mustang, and of course, going to the beach. Guys, that's your contestant number 1, Jane. We better hear you, guys. I will put every single one of these girls in a turtleneck if I do not hear you cheering right now. That's what I thought. Are you guys having a good time? I think you can do better. Are you guys having a good time? All right, that'll do. All right, contestant number 2, Miss Melanie. Guys, we gotta hear you. Come on. And we asked Melanie if she had one wish, what would it be? She said to live a happy, healthy, long life along with her loved ones. Craziest thing this pretty lady has ever done. She almost flipped a kayak over an alligator on Alligator Lake for a picture. I hope that picture turned out well. Her current hobbies and interests include being a nail technician. She's a makeup artist, a model, an eyelash technician. She says she just loves beauty. Guys, that's your contestant number 2, Melanie.
2 more times.
Contestant number 4, Monica. Guys, what did I tell you to do? Thank you. If she had one wish, what would it be? She said to live forever. Amber. There you go, guys. I gotta hear you out there. If Amber had one wish, what would it be? That everyone would have the opportunity to pursue their dreams. Craziest thing she's ever done. She climbed the second tallest waterfall in the world. Let's hear her current hobbies and interests include. She's a computer science student, and wow, you code algorithms. Go, girlfriend. That is your contestant number 5, Amber. What would it be? She said to be happy forever. Craziest thing she's ever done. She applied for a reality TV show. Her current hobbies and interests include modeling. You're doing a great job at it, girlfriend. That is your contestant number 6, Ebony. You could have one wish, what would it be right now? She said to have my family from Cuba here with me. Craziest thing she's ever done. She went on a helicopter. What are her current hobbies and interests? She loves yoga, ballet, cars, and bikes. That is your contestant number 7, Reina. Contestant number 1. Guys, what do you think out there? Are they all not gorgeous? Did everybody pose for the judges? We're all gonna line up so the judges can see you one last time. We got some photo ops, guys. We highly recommend taking pictures and using these pictures as your Christmas card. What do you guys think? Yeah? Are they all beautiful? Yeah. Are they all deserve a crown? Yeah. Judges, how are you feeling? Are you sweating? Yeah, you're definitely sweating. I could not be you right now. Ladies, will you turn around and look at that Harley-Davidson sign for me, please? Wow, we just got really warm in this room. Alright, ladies, turn right back around for me. Guys, that concludes our round number 1, biker wear. Ladies, you may exit the stage. Everyone, do not go anywhere.
Starting early.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, I got you.
Please leave a nice tip for the ladies. They do a fantastic job. Not only gotta look beautiful, they gotta clean, sir. You know, you and me, we just look beautiful, but they clean and they're beautiful. Palo Moto, subscribe today. POWA Moto.
Got a lot of energy.
Follow me on IG. That was nothing. I haven't even started. I haven't had coffee yet. I haven't had my cigarettes yet. I haven't
asked Monica, if you had a superhuman power, what would it be? She said, I want to read everybody's mind. But do you want to read it right now? And her ideal vacation would be 2 weeks in Bora Bora. Anything interesting or unique she wanted to share with us? She's been doing nails for 6 years. That is your contestant number 4, Monica. Contestant number 5, Miss Amber. And we asked Amber, if you could have a superhuman power, what would it be and why? She said to have a photographic memory so I could learn anything as quickly as possible. Gotta hear you guys. What is this pretty little lady's ideal vacation? She said anywhere that has a lot of art and culture. I love learning the history of new countries. Something interesting or unique about Amber. She speaks 3 different languages: English, Mandarin Chinese, and Seminole Creek. So we got brains and beauty for contestant number 5. That is your contestant number 5,
canvas. Got the brake line extension. It was a little kinky a little bit, not much. And I went ahead and put the LED lights in. See, that one's on. It's kind of bright out here, so it's kind of hard to tell. Let's turn on the flashers. There we go. And brake tail lights. Look good, guys. Now it's time for a wash. Got her in line for wash. Playing. Get my bike washed. Instagram channel.
Crystal Marie. KRYSTALMAURIE.
Okay. And yours?
GRET17.
All right, guys, follow them.
As soon as he's done, I'll get one, okay?
Here's your winner, guys. Yeah.